Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can fix slow and lagging CapCut on your PC. So if you're experiencing slow and lagging CapCut on your PC, here's the three key settings you might need to consider. First up, go to the menu section right here at the top left-hand corner of your screen. Under the menu, click on Settings. Now from here, go to Performance tab. And then go to Encode Settings. Make sure to check the Speed Up Hardware Encoding and Speed Up Hardware Decoding. Now go to Interface Rendering. Make sure to check this Render Interface with GPU. And also you can check this Proxy mode turn on by default when a new project is created. And then you can change the location where your proxies will save and also manually delete them. Once done, click on the Save button right from here. Another way to fix the problem is by going to the preview quality. Once you have added the media, go to the three lines right here at the top right, and then select on preview quality. Now, choose the best performance or performance priority. So it prioritizes playback smoothness. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.